This is gonna be an unboxing. And it's in there good. All right. My nephew is opening this. All right, here we go. We're gonna see the unveiling. All right, Kent, let's reveal it. Okay, Kent, what was it like to open up that box?
It was harder than I was expecting because I think looks like hot glued. A lot harder than expected, but we got it open.
It was secure.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it has to be, I guess. Yep.
Okay, our first one is menu 1, chili with beans. Menu 6, beef taco. This one's a good one. Menu 4, spaghetti with beef and sauce. Menu 3, chicken noodles and vegetables in sauce. Menu 10, chili and macaroni. This is the holy grail, a holy of holies. This is menu 5, chicken with tomatoes and feta cheese. I am not a fan of feta cheese, but we're still gonna go for it. This is gonna be good. Menu 7, brisket entree gravy with seasoned beef brisket slices. Here we go. Menu 8, meatballs and marinara sauce. That's another good one. This is a classic too. This is beef shredded and barbecue sauce. Menu 2. Menu 9, beef stew. Pane? I know I'm gonna get criticized. With vegetable, sausage crumbles and spicy tomato sauce. Vegetarian. Menu 11. This menu 11, vegetable crumbles with pasta and taco style sauce. Vegetarian. That is the final one. We have a lot of MREs to try out, so stay tuned for some more videos. And this is going to be from 2014.